Well, they sure are spraying us pretty heavily today. We've got a whole lot of chemtrails. This one's a really thick one right here. I've been following this one for about 10 minutes. This one's not breaking up at all. They're getting this really good with this one. I don't really know if that's one or not right there. There's two more right there. That's a really big one right there. That's the biggest one I've seen in a long time. It's ridiculous that they're spraying us with all this stuff. They're working really hard at it today. What in the world are they spraying? It's two crossing paths. If this is the government, why are you doing this to us? Because this right here is absurd. See, this one right there, I don't think that's a chemtrail. I think that's just regular exhaust coming from him. And that's a good example right there of just regular exhaust. It's not leaving a thick trail or anything like that. But then you have this right here, leaving this huge thick cloud of whatever it is, Prozac, whatever it is they're up here spraying. See, this is a good example right here. We've got this smaller one. He's spraying. Looks like just regular exhaust, doing no harm. And then you have this really thick stuff, especially this one. What in the world are they spraying?